Here at 60 Degrees, we would like to give a huge shout out to all of our fellow subscribers. We are just 1,000 subs short from giving away our grand prize, the Icon Airflight helmet. Once we have hit our mark, a video announcement will be uploaded to our channel revealing our lucky winner. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, we'd like to announce that we have officially opened up our own Patreon page to help support our channel. As you may have come to notice, our video reviews take some time to develop, and with your support, we can manage to create more videos on a weekly basis. For those who are interested in becoming a Patreon Plus supporter, you could win yourself some great prizes. For more information and details, head over to the description tab below of this video. There you'll find our Patreon link and more information on our 5,000 subscriber competition.
First off, I'm just going to give you a quick history lesson on the Diavel. For those that don't know, Diavel is slang for devil in Italian. The bike was first unveiled at the EICMA show in Milan in 2010, and it's just gone from strength to strength from that point on. A revision in 2014, they gave it a dual spark motor, gave it full LED headlights, and basically made it a much more easier bike to ride with a throttle remap. This one, however, is the best yet. It's based heavily around the X Diavel, so it has the 1262 motor with your variable valve timing. It's got the same electronics package as the X Diavel, so you've got the cruise control, which it was really, a lot of people that buy these bikes, they just want to sit back and cruise on them sometimes. So you've got cruise control available. It's got the IMU in there, the inertial monitoring unit that works with the ABS and the traction control. That basically means that you can essentially put the brakes on mid-corner and it's not going to chuck you off. It's still got plus 40-degree lean angle. We'll try doing that on a Harley Davidson, you're going to struggle. So you can get the thing cranked right over in the corners, nice and safely. 117 kilowatts in old money, that's 157 horsepower. It's got 129 newton meters of peak torque, so plenty of grunt to go around. Very, very comfortable machine. Obviously, fantastic riding position for all of you who have ridden a Diavel in the past. You'll know how great they are to sit on and to ride, and that's what, it's a muscle bike. It's a full-on muscle bike. Got that 240 rear section tyre. Looks fantastic from the back. Feels fantastic to ride. Super comfortable. You can ride it all day long. But when you open that throttle, there's nothing quite like it. So we're very, very much looking forward to getting these out on the road, and I'll be looking forward to taking one up the mountain as soon as I can tell you. So that's the new 1262 Diavel. In the S model, you get the Olin suspension and the quick shifting up and down as standard. It's available in the grey or the black, as we have here with the red frame. There is a standard as well available, which is also quick shifter compatible if you just wanted to go with the standard suspension.
It's a nice seating position.